Stay safe and protected every day, wherever you are, with mobile emergency button from Dream Security. In case of emergency, press the emergency button on your smartphone. The system will automatically deploy an emergency unit, choosing the shortest route, including traffic situation, to where you are. The emergency unit will provide professional assistance and protect you on arrival. How does this service work? Download Dream Security app on your mobile phone. Select the service package that works best for you. Enter your personal details and add your photo for emergency unit to identify you. In case of emergency, just press the emergency button in Dream Security mobile app. We will take care of the rest.